Join the 10th Annual City Nature Challenge
and bring the world together for biodiversity.
We need your help to make this the biggest City Nature Challenge yet.
And ensure a thriving future for all humans, plants, animals, fungi, and more.
Finding ways to live in balance with the world around us is crucial.
City Nature Challenge is one way we can work together to build knowledge of nature, especially in cities, and better connect to all life on Earth.
From April 25th to April 28th.
Join people in hundreds of cities around the world
As they work together, take pictures or record sounds of nature in their neighborhoods.
Every photo or recording you submit is identified by the community.
And help scientists better understand the biodiversity of our cities and further vital research around the globe.
In 2016, nature lovers and community scientists in Los Angeles and San Francisco
Set out to document biodiversity like never before.
Since then, more than 1,100 cities and 66 countries worldwide have joined the challenge.
And we've collected more than 7 million observations of life on Earth.
More than 364,000 people have joined the effort.
And we've made some astonishing discoveries.
Like this moth, previously known from a single research specimen collected in 1925, recorded alive and well in India in 2024.
Like this track left by a jaguar recorded in 2023 in Argentina.
Evidence of another critically endangered animal surviving severe habitat loss.
And this critically endangered soft-shell turtle.
Recorded in 2020 in Hong Kong.
All observed, photographed, and shared by people like you.
Help us make over 8 million observations of the planet's biodiversity in the 10th City Nature Challenge.
What discoveries will we make together this year to help scientists, local governments, and communities
Better understand and protect life in our cities.
So put your nature eyes on and join us for the 2025 City Nature Challenge.